Hey guys, Rachel here. I'm going to show you a Gulfstream. I believe it's a 2025, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to check on that. But I'm excited to show you because the layout is really nice. It has like a separation from the kitchen and the living room, but you guys, of course, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, reach out. But let's start from the outside coming in, and I do apologize. We are right next to the highway, so it might be loud in the background, but let's go ahead and go. All right, we've got our Gulfstream, and it is a 2024 model 295 SBW. It's got a nice long slide on this side. It's got a nice awning. It goes all the way down. It is a tankless water heater. I love that window. Inside. All right, guys, let me know what you think. I really like this one. I like how much space that you get, and I like the white wood look on the floor. You've got a nice size couch over here, and across from that you do have two recliners. Super comfy. And then over there you've got your entertainment fireplace, sound bar. You've got windows all the way around, and a nice little table, which I love tables. You can move them out of the way if you want to put something else. Maybe you want to move this recliner right over there and bring that out whenever, you know, maybe some people are coming. But I like having that option. Over here we've got our kitchen area, which again, I like this separation right here. It's really nice. So we've got a nice big counter here, nice big sink, and then more counter space over here. You've got two windows on each side, which I love that. You got storage right above, and then storage right below as well. You got a 3-burner. You've got a nice oven right here. Now this is an average size oven right here, and then you've got your microwave right above that. Now you do have a nice big fridge. So plenty of space in here to put all your goods. I mean, plenty of space. Nice and big. I love when I see a nice big fridge. All right, so let's go down the hall. Now, I'm excited to show you this because I haven't seen anything like it, but you have a hall of storage, which is really neat. So let's see. You can hang up maybe your jackets when you come in. You've got storage down below as well. And then we skipped over the bathroom. Right across is the bathroom with a lot more storage here as well. It's very nice. Goes all the way back. You got a nice size shower right here, and then little cubbies underneath the storage. Underneath the sink, which I love. Plenty of space here to do your thing. And I like that they give you extra counter space as well in the bathroom. All right, on to the master bedroom. All right, we've got storage on the side and around. Plenty of space to walk as well. Plenty of space to go all the way around. And I like the wood look in the back. But what do you guys think? Like, I would love to hear what you think, and if you like it, if you don't like it, what would you change? Let me know. But if you have any questions, of course, reach out, because right now they just dropped the price to $31,988. So all of this room for $31,988, I think is just a superb price for this much room. So give me a call, text, email, come see me. My information is below. But until next time, guys.